Hi, it's Danny. To finish off our hamstring focus for this week, perhaps we'll take some leg swings. Now we'll start with the bent knee. This is more dynamic. Please check out the other videos that are less challenging. It's a leg swing. If it feels it's really twanging and pulling either leg, modify with the more bent knee. This will be fine. To advance the move, like a dynamic karate warm-up to improve your hamstrings for your kicks, you swing through with a straighter knee, and it's quite a dynamic, powerful swing. Just change over. Lower range, slower movement, bend at the knee. It's a way in. This may be enough for today. We're not warmed up here particularly, so no need to go higher and faster with a straighter knee, but you could now at some point be aware of that nice dynamic move, powerful swing, strong exercise, more advanced exercise for your hamstrings. Keeping strong, keeping supple, back of the legs. Helps the posture, bring in awareness, bring in length, bring in tone, and bring an element of speed and power there as well. Well done. Thanks for watching today's video.